All right, welcome to another edition of Southern Fried Home Talk. And what I'm doing is I'm going to take the chance. I normally wouldn't do this. I normally would fry this outside, but I didn't have a range hood as badass as this one until recently. Now this is that Vesta Atlanta Edition range hood. It's running on wide open right now. I've got a couple of episodes on this already if you're interested in this. And so what I'm doing is cooking good old southern fried shrimp. That's 2 batches that just come out. And these little shaker things, got this at the thrift store. It's got a little basket to put the shrimp fry into it. That's what I like, that Zatarain's lemon flavor. And I don't have too many left to go. And really the key here is to get this grease up as close to 400 as you possibly can using a very thick stainless steel frying pan, because it'll hold the heat. And also the more grease you have in there helps as well, but I have to be careful about putting too much in. Really, just have it about a third full to keep it from overflowing. And so I've already got these here ready to roll, and I'm using this little basket here. This basket here does a pretty good job of letting the grease flow through, keeping it less greasy. And so I've got about 2 pounds of shrimp here. These are turning out pretty good already. So have to work fast too, because it's going to take too long for that grease to heat back up, because in fact I'm over 400 now. So let's go ahead and put this batch in there. You don't want to burn the grease, that's the thing. And really the best grease to use is peanut oil. I really like that. That's not what I'm using here, but if I had my preference, I would be using peanut oil. You can actually run it at a hotter temperature. I've actually put it up over 400 if it was peanut oil. You can see how quickly brown they're getting. And I think that's the key, is working with high heat, working with a thick pan so the temperature doesn't drop so suddenly when you put them in there. I think that's the key to not having greasy shrimp. Alright guys, I'm going to have a lot of good shrimp here tonight. Looks like I'm going to be doing it, having it all to myself too. I just got to find the tartar sauce.